Welcome to Papillon Zeugma Relaxury, a sanctuary of style and comfort nestled along the stunning shores of the Mediterranean in Belek, Antalya, one of Turkey's most prestigious holiday destinations. This luxurious resort is inspired by the elegance of the ancient city of Zeugma, blending refined aesthetics with a modern, tranquil atmosphere. Whether you're traveling as a couple or with family, Papillon Zeugma is designed to exceed expectations for every guest. From the moment you arrive, you are greeted by lush surroundings and calming architecture that instantly set the tone for a peaceful yet indulgent vacation. The resort's signature relaxury concept brings together the best of both worlds, relaxation and luxury. For those seeking calm, there are serene spots to unwind, and for those in search of fun, entertainment awaits just steps away. Enjoy an unforgettable culinary experience at open buffet and a la carte restaurant, offering both international and local delicacies, crafted to satisfy even the most discerning palates. Cool off in the resort's wide, inviting pools, or take a short stroll to the private beach, where the soft sands and turquoise waves of the Mediterranean welcome you. Families will love the Kids Club, a lively space designed with care and creativity to keep little ones entertained all day long. Meanwhile, adults can unwind at the spa center, offering massages, saunas, and complete rejuvenation. Papillon Zeugma Relaxury isn't just a hotel, it's an experience. A seamless harmony of art, nature, peace, and luxury, all waiting for you in the heart of Belek. Book your escape today and let your dream vacation begin. At Papillon Zeugma Relaxury, comfort and elegance take center stage. All rooms at the hotel are spacious, bright, and thoughtfully designed with a modern touch, ensuring every detail is tailored for maximum guest comfort. From standard rooms to suites and private villas, the resort offers a variety of accommodation options to suit every need. Each room features a balcony, central air conditioning, minibar, LED TV, tea and coffee set, and large, well-appointed bathrooms. Deluxe and family rooms provide an ideal experience for guests traveling with children, blending functionality with luxury for a truly relaxing holiday. Operating under an all-inclusive concept, Papillon Zeugma takes pride in its exceptional gastronomy. The main restaurant offers open buffet breakfast, lunch, and dinner, with a wide selection of international cuisines. For those seeking something more refined, a la carte restaurants serve rich menus featuring Italian, Turkish, Far Eastern, and seafood delicacies in elegantly themed settings. Throughout the day, guests can enjoy delicious snacks, pastries, and ice cream from the snack bars and patisserie corners. With 24-hour open bars, your favorite drink is always just a step away, no matter the time of day. For families with children, Papillon Zeugma is nothing short of paradise. The Mini Club, designed for kids aged 4 to 12, offers fun and educational activities like face painting, mini discos, movie time, and arts and crafts workshops, creating unforgettable moments for the little ones, while parents relax with peace of mind. Every day at Papillon Zeugma is filled with excitement and unforgettable moments. Evening shows prepared by a professional animation team, live music performances, themed parties, and vibrant night entertainment add color to your holiday. During the day, you can join a variety of activities such as yoga, Pilates, aqua gymnastics, beach volleyball, and darts. As the sun sets, the fun continues with stage shows and a lively disco atmosphere. For those seeking relaxation, the Spa and Wellness Center offers a peaceful retreat, perfect for recharging both your body and mind.
Please.
Stephen.
So Stephen, hello Stephen, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
So Stephen, where are you from?
Manchester.
From Manchester, you are from the UK.
Yes.
So what a great that. So you are in the Papillon Zeugma Hotel. So how did you decide to come to get a holiday here?
I first holidayed 13 years ago at the Papillon Belleville. And then I came in 2012 with my family to the Zeugma. And then we've been in the Zeugma for 3 more times with family. And then once now, last time, on my wife's 60th birthday celebration. And she really enjoys it here. And I must admit, we didn't know if it would be as good as last time, but it still is.
So we could say that you as a family, you are the fan of Papillon hotels.
Yes, we always stay at the Papillon Hotel.
So what do you like in this Papillon hotels or in Zeugma Hotel? What did you like?
The Zeugma Hotel, the restaurants, the a la carte restaurants are very good. The bars, the cleanliness of the hotel, everywhere is clean. The rooms are clean. The staff are very good. We have no complaints. It has been a fantastic holiday.
So you are here alone or with the family?
I'm only here today with my wife. 10 days we've been here.
10 days here.
We've been gone home tomorrow.
Okay.
But hopefully I will come back in October with my wife as well.
Great. It's really nice to hear this kind of words from you, and nice to meet you so much, Steve.
And I would like to just say a quick one and mention for the animation team, Tina and Hussein, a fantastic animation team, play table tennis, bocce, all sports, and they, with all nationalities, it's been a great experience.
Great.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Have a great holiday.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you for joining us on this journey through Papillon Zeugma Relaxury, where luxury meets serenity on the shores of the Mediterranean. Whether you're dreaming of a peaceful retreat or an activity-filled holiday, this resort has something special for everyone. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring travel content from Turkey's finest destinations. We'll see you in the next adventure. Until then, keep exploring, keep dreaming. Walk Turkey. Your journey starts here.
Çekeceğim.